Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. I am beyond excited about this announcement. After doing two of my most popular videos, Finding the Perfect Wig, where I helped Karen and Kathleen find wigs for themselves, I had so many people contact me and say, I want to come to you. I want help finding a wig. And while I'd love to help everybody find a wig, I don't have a brick and mortar store, so that makes it really difficult. So I had an idea. I went to Estetica and I said to them, would you be willing to open your showroom to some of my community members? And they came back and said yes. So on August 16th at 6 p.m., we are going to have a showroom soiree at Estetica Designs Showroom in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. The event will be open to 25 people. We're keeping it to 25 because we want to give you personalized attention. I will be there to help you. Marlene is flying in from Florida. I know many of you know her from Marlene's Wig and Chat Studio. She also runs our private Facebook group and does an amazing job. V, my resident stylist, is flying in from Michigan and will be there to help you with styling tips. And then we will have part of the Estetica team, including the designer of the wigs there. So you can learn so much from Grace. She's so knowledgeable, and talk to her about her designs and maybe even what's coming up at Estetica. In addition to getting personalized help from all of us, we're going to have some snacks and some wine, so it's going to be like an in-person wig and wine chat. The photo shoot room is going to be open. We can take pictures together. We're going to have raffles for prizes, including a wig. We're going to have goodie bags, and if all that were not enough, all your wig purchases will be at 35% off that evening, and your wig care products will be at 10% off. Tickets for the event are $50 and are on sale at frannieshair.com. I'll have a link in the description below, or you can just head over to frannieshair.com and type in Showroom Soiree in the search bar, and the ticket will come up. If you're coming from out of town, Philadelphia International Airport is the closest airport, and we do have a list of hotels that are about 10 to 15 minutes from the Estetica Designs Showroom. Now, as I said, the event is limited to 25 people because we do want to give personalized attention, and some of the tickets are already sold because I did announce this first in our private Facebook group. That's part of the perks of being in the private Facebook group. You get to hear about events first. We also have exclusive deals over there. We have our wig experts there, and you can do things like, say you're looking at a specific wig, like Avalon, for example. This is Avalon by Estetica in R8 26H. Such a beautiful wig. But say you're looking at purchasing Avalon, but you're not sure it's for you. You can actually post in the private Facebook group, hey, does anybody have Avalon? Could you post a picture of yourself? And you'll get people posting pictures. It's such a supportive and helpful group, and it's so much fun over there, so I hope you'll come and join us. All right, well, that's the big announcement. I'm so excited. I hope you are too. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I hope I'm going to see you soon.